Hey there, I'm Mitchell Moore, pastry chef and restaurateur. That sounds fancy. It's not. It actually means I'm an idiot because I thought running multiple restaurants was a good idea. It's not. Y'all know we don't own a lot of sauces around here. We make most of our sauces. And another one that we like is called Gold Rush. That's what the people who made it where I first had it called it. And so that's what we call it. And it's 2 ingredients: barbecue sauce, which I actually always make as well, but I do have this around specifically to make Gold Rush, and mustard. Now, how much? Y'all, there's no answer to that question. Do you like your sauce sweeter or spicier or tangier? I don't know how you like your sauce. So you are going to have to figure out how you like your sauce. We like our Gold Rush pretty blonde, which just means we like a little more mustard than barbecue sauce. Maybe about half and half. Running low. What I've tried to do during this whole sauce fest is to tell you guys and teach you guys and show you guys you can open up your palate. You can help your palate to experience new flavors, but also you can do it really cheap. You have, I guarantee you have ketchup, mustard, mayo, and barbecue sauce, as well as Worcestershire sauce in your cabinet or in your fridge right now. And using those 4 things plus some spices like seasoned pepper, garlic salt, you can make any number of sauces. And there's no reason to just settle in on what I've taught you. Mix mustard and mayonnaise and see if you like it. You will, by the way. Spread that on fish. It'll be delicious. Mix mayonnaise and barbecue sauce the next time you're barbecuing chicken. It'll be delicious. Just play around with it and figure out what your family likes. Everybody likes different things. There's no right or wrong. I wish there were. I wish I could say this is the absolute right way to do it, but there's very few things in life that that's true for. So this is Gold Rush sauce. We love it. It's especially good on chicken fingers, which we make here at home, but it's also really good on burgers or hamburger steak. You'll find uses that you like for it, but give it a try. Go feed your family.